Hello everyone, here the question is the difference between an exterior angle of n-1 sided regular polygon and exterior angle of n+2 sided regular polygon is 6 degrees Celsius. So they are talking about exterior angle of a regular polygon. So we know the formula. What is the exterior angle of a regular polygon? It is 360 divided by n. It's a general formula. But over here they are talking about the difference between two exterior angles. So the first exterior angle is for n-1 sided polygon. So what about the exterior angle over here? It is 360 divided by n-1. Since they are talking about the difference, we are going to apply the subtraction operation over here between the two exterior angle. And the another exterior angle is for n+2 sided polygon. So 360 divided by n+2. So the difference is equal to 6. So we are going to solve this one in order to get the value of the n which is asked in our question. So if you look into this, I can take 360 on the LHS. 360 is common. Just take 360 to the to outside, so that the remaining is 1 by n-1 minus of 1 by n+2, which is equal to 6. So now we can do 360. We can take an LCM, so that here it's going to be n-1 and here this is n+2. This is our LCM. So what will be the numerator for us? It is n+2 minus of n-1. So which is equal to 6 again. So now actually I can cancel this 6 and 360. So it's going to be 60 times. Yes, now still we can continue. We'll remove the bracket on the numerator. So 60, and over here it is n+2 minus n plus 1 divided by n-1 into n+2 equal to 1. So now see, plus n and minus n is getting cancelled. So 60 into 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. So here it is n-1 into n+2 equal to 1. So what I can do now, I can move this n-1 n+2 to the other side. So 60 into 3 is going to be 180. So if we move this to the other side, what you will be getting? n-1 into n+2. Still we can simplify by doing the multiplication. So n square plus 2n minus n minus 2 will get. So when we are simplifying this, what we will be getting? N square 2n minus n will become plus n, and this 180 is going to the other side, so that it will become minus 180. So already minus 2 is there, so it's going to be minus 182 equal to 0. So when you do the splitting of middle term, so we can split the middle term into 14 and 13 we can split. So I'm splitting over here. So n square plus 14n minus 13n minus 182 equal to 0. So now we can take n in common for the first two term, and for this next two term we can take 13 in common. So I'm doing over here. So I'm taking n in common. So n into n plus 14, and over here minus in the second, third and fourth term I'm taking minus 13 in common. So the remaining is n plus 14 equal to 0. Yes, so now what I can say, I can take n plus 14 in common. The remaining is going to be n minus 13 equal to 0. So what is the answer for our n? N equal to minus 14 and n equal to 13. Sure, the number of side can't be negative, so we are cancelling this value. So we are going to take n equal to 13 as our answer. So this is the solution for the given question. Hope you understood. Thank you.